Papa sings a Christmas song, and it's so sweet that Nana sings along. The music notes fall from the sky. It's baby's first Christmas lullaby. The angels smile and spread their wings, and if you listen you can hear them sing. And through the room reindeers dance and fly. That's baby's first Christmas lullaby. Charlotte wakes when she hears the croons of candy canes and singing spoons. Hush, Amanda, now don't you weep. Your dolls will sing you back to sleep. Then Santa comes with Rudolph too, and here's a special gift they bring to you. And you can sing it if you try. That's baby's first Christmas lullaby. The Christmas tree begins to sway, and all the toy balloons just seem to say, don't let the music pass you by. It's baby's first Christmas lullaby. Then Tweedledum and Tweedledee are harmonizing 'neath the tree. The mistletoes let out a sigh. They're telling you, you must not cry. So join with me in this Christmas song, and you'll feel good if you can sing along. So sing it loud and don't be shy. That's baby's first Christmas lullaby.
I love you, Papa Leo. Not well. Yeah, people, I know it's really boring, but you have to bear with it. So Julie, look, she's so cutie. Bye-bye, everybody. Hope you are all doing well. Bye!